You've seen those Instagram reels, right? Some guy relaxing on a beach, claiming he made $50,000 last month while sleeping. He calls it passive income. Coconut in one hand, not a single stress line on his face. And meanwhile, most of us, we're just trying to figure out if we can afford dinner without borrowing money from a friend. Something feels off, doesn't it? Let's break down the top 5 passive income myths that are confusing students and wasting your time. Myth number 1, passive income needs no effort. Sounds amazing, right? Just set it up once and boom, the money keeps rolling in. But that's not how real life works. YouTubers, they posted for months before anyone watched. Bloggers, they wrote for weeks with zero traffic. Even if you launch a digital product, you still have to build it, promote it, fix bugs, handle refunds. So tell me, where's the passive part? It's not really passive, it's just hard work done early. That might pay off later. And hey, if you're still here, that means you're serious. So why not tap the like button? It actually helps, more than you think. Myth number 2, you don't need money or skills to start. You hear this everywhere. Just start affiliate marketing. No skills needed. Really? Try selling something you don't even understand. Write an ebook. Okay, but seriously, what will you write about? Look, it's possible to start with no money, but if you also have no skills, your first step isn't income, it's skill building. Otherwise, you're just throwing darts in the dark. Myth number 3, investing is the best passive income. This one's half true, but investing, it's not some magic ATM. You buy a stock, it drops, you panic and sell. You buy crypto, it crashes. Now you're not making income. You're just confused and broke. Investing works, yes, but only if you understand the game and stay in it for the long term. Otherwise, it's not passive income. It's passive stress. Myth number 4, start many income streams at once. You've heard this one too. Never rely on one source of income. Sure, good advice. But trying to start a YouTube channel, a blog, a t-shirt business, a podcast, a crypto fund, a second brain system, let's be honest, you'll burn out before any of them take off. Start with one thing, focus, grow it, learn what works. Let that one stream fund your next big idea. It's not about doing everything. It's about doing something well. Myth number 5, passive income is a shortcut to success. It's not. Passive income is like planting a tree. You plant it, water it, protect it, and then you wait. First year, nothing. Second year, maybe a small branch. Third year, still waiting. But by year 5, that tree starts to give fruit. If you're a student or just starting your journey, this is the perfect time to begin. Learn skills, build something, be patient. And in a few years, your so-called passive income, it might actually feel real. If you're still watching, maybe you're not looking for shortcuts. Maybe you're looking for clarity. So tell us in the comments, which myth surprised you the most? Let's see who's actually paying attention. But until then, skip the coconut fantasy and stop searching for shortcuts, because building something meaningful takes time, takes effort, but it's always worth it.